Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to keep north up on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now, to keep the north direction upwards on the Google Maps of your phone, first open up your Google Maps application, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us over here at the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here tap on the settings option over here just below your data in Maps. Tap on settings, and on this interface scroll down to the bottom of the list and you will be able to find navigation settings over here. Tap on navigation settings, and over here scroll down and you can find the keep map north up option available for us. Now what it does is your map's north direction will be always up. So with that being said guys, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option to turn it on, and when it's blue it means that it is on. This is how to keep the north up on Google Maps, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.